Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add gray lines to a video on CapCut. So first import your clips and then go to overlay and add overlay. And in here, I'm going to use this gray and white as a picture as an overlay, and then adjust the size so it cover whole clips, and then go to cutout and click on the chroma key, and here drag the color picker into the white color. Okay, this one's right here, and adjust the intensity into 100 and so the shadow into 100. Click on the check icon, and then after that adjust the go to splice, and then here choose the slide. Click on the check icon and then go back and go to adjust and set the brightness of your video into 50, the contrast into around -30, and then set the saturations into -15, like this. Click on the check icon, and here is your gray lines video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.